Hi, what's up you guys? It is me, Eric, aka Momo, if you're watching this in Asia, and welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you all again, and I hope you're all doing well. So today I am going to be walking you through how to achieve this beautiful duo-coloured spotlight eye. So keep on watching. We're going to go in with some Tarte Shape Tape, and we are just going to prime the eyes. I want this to be really, cracking. Really cracking. So that's why I'm going in with this as opposed to my usual Trish McAvoy primer. Because this one's just a bit heavier. Usually I don't go this close to the under eye with primer or concealer because it can get in lines. But since I'm actually going to be going under the eye with the shadow today, I am going to go right up to the waterline. We're just going to do it. We're going to throw caution to the wind. We're going to blow some water nally, all the good stuff. Okay, so I've settled on a pink. We're going to be using the shade Star Power from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. And I'm just going to take this on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to start packing that in. God, I've always wished for more lid space, if I just wasn't so lazy and I could be bothered to learn how to glue down my eyebrows, or if I wasn't concerned about being a pretty boy and I had the balls to shave them off, could you imagine the looks, hey dude? The looks. But no, because I have to go to work. Imagine I just rock up to work in a fucking law firm with just no eyebrows and I'm just like, hey guys, hey, ready to crack the case? Ready to go on this shit? Yeah, let's fucking do it, bro. Oh, stupid. Now I'm just gonna go in with the shade China White from the same palette, which has got a little bit of blue on it for some reason, so I'm gonna just dust that off real quick. And I'm just gonna feather this white shade around the outside. It just lightens the shade there if you kind of wanna have a more kind of fade into nothing look, which is kind of what I want to do. Now I'm gonna go back in with the shade Star Power on a more flat brush and kind of pack it more into the outer area and this inner area here. Now I'm just gonna go under the eye. I can hear people talking about the TV show MASH outside my house. Why are there people outside my house? Why aren't they fucking quarantined like the rest of us? Jesus fucking H Christ. These people. He's like, you should watch MASH. MASH is better than the Big Bang Theory. Dude. Who the fuck watches MASH? I'm just going in with a lighter pink shade and I'm just kind of feathering it over the edges of this. Just to give it some diffusion. God, this guy really likes the show MASH. Is it that good? He's making me want to watch it, shit. Stunning! Now I'm going to go in with one of my finished brushes and this kind of purpley mauve shade. And I'm going to pack that down here. Then we're going with the deepest pink shade and bring it in a little bit. So it kind of graduates into the eye. Okay, so when you're done, you should kind of end up with something like this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go do the other side of the eye in blue, and then I will come back and we will do the spotlight. Okay, so I'm officially looking like Harley Quinn. Definitely got a clown vibe going on. Didn't think about that until it was done. I looked at myself and I was like, oh, you like that bitch, the one with the accent. And then I was like, oh, great. This is a liquid eyeshadow by Huda Beauty. So I'm going to go in with this and I am going to paint the middle of my eye. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Astral White from McGrath and I'm going to dust over that and I'm going to apply that on top of the liquid Huda Beauty shadow. I'm going to do it with my finger, it's just easier. Now these might look a little bit crazy at the minute, but give me some time and I'm gonna work it out. So now that I've put that down, you can see that there's a lot more reflect in the middle, but it does just look like there's a bit of white just kind of stuck there. So I'm gonna go in with my brush, the one that I use, and I'm gonna kind of buff out the edges. And this is my medium pink. I'm gonna buff around the edges of this. Then I'm gonna go in with a liquid eyeshadow by Stila. And kind of just marry the edges a little bit. Next I'm going to go in with my little finger and kind of like prod around the edges. Just so it kind of like some of the pigment comes in, not all of it, it's not totally covering up anything, but also some of that glitter goes outwards a little bit. And then I'm going to firm up the middle in a minute. You'll see what I mean. Now I'm going to go in with this exceedingly shiny shade from the McGrath Mothership 6 palette. I don't know its name, I always call it Moon Dust, and that's never its name, but that's what I always call it. And I'm going to focus that on the center. And now I always have one brush that I use, and I never ever put any colour on this brush. This brush is only ever for blending. It's by Chanel, it's one of my faves. I'm going to dust around the edge because I don't want there to be too much glitter in that crease area. And that's one eye done. That's the pink. Then obviously I'm going to go away and do the blue. Then I'm going to do liner and lashes, and we've reached the end of another look. How cute. Ooh. Okay you guys, this is the final look. What do you all think? Do we love? Are we living for this? Is it everything you've ever wanted and more? I will answer for you, and yes it is. Do I need a beauty mark? I kind of want a beauty mark. You probably can't even see it on the camera, but in real life, she's cute. Okay, I need to stop. I need to wrap up this because I got places to go, I got things to do, I've got photos to take. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a spotlight eye. Put a little bit of colour in your life, put a little bit of blue, put a little bit of pink, give yourself a little bit of, you know, Bratz vibes. Early 2000s passion for fashion tees, you know. Anywho, I need to stop talking shit and get to kicking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the look. If you do, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. You can find links to all of my socials in the description box down below. And until we meet again, as always, kisses from England. Bye guys!